Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE photos disappearing issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now here open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Then here scroll down and open gallery. And after that go to the storage of gallery and then clear the app data and cache memory of gallery. Click on delete and after that go back to your home screen and open files. Now in files click on this three dot icon and then click on settings. Now here you will see a show hidden system files button, so turn on this button